In this video, we'll talk about how to solve the future value problem of annuity by using Excel. This is the problem we're trying to solve. First, I'm putting all the information into Excel. These are all the information we know, and we're trying to find the future amount of this annuity. Okay, I'll type it here. All right. Okay, I'm going to click on the function button, f of x, and I'm looking for future value. Okay. Now, what I need, one thing I need is the interest rate per period. So that will be 7.25 divided by 12, right? So that will be B1 divided by 12. Okay. NPR represent the total number of payments. So that will be 15 times 12 because it's monthly payment, right? So it'll be B3 times 12. Okay, payment here is B2 here. This is the periodic payment. So I'll put B2. Okay, the PV here represents the present value. The present value is 0, so it's kind of default. We don't have to put anything. And type here, if you put 1, that will be the payment is at the beginning of the period, and 0 is at the end of the period. But if you put nothing, it will consider the payment is made at the end of the period. So I'm not going to put anything there. Now I'm going to click OK. And here you can see the future amount.